Welcome to this video on water, part of the Form 1 Integrated Science. Water is one of the most essential and abundant substances on Earth, covering about 71% of the planet's surface. It plays a crucial role in supporting life, regulating climate, and sustaining ecosystems. Whether in rivers, oceans, or the water cycle, it constantly moves through various forms, from liquid to vapor to ice. Water is fundamental to the survival of all living organisms, influencing everything from human health to agricultural production. Beyond its biological significance, water has shaped civilizations, economies, and cultures throughout history. The objectives of this video are to define water, understand its importance, explain the water cycle, identify its stages and importance, explain the effects of rainfall, list the cycle's impacts on water supply, and explain water purification processes. Water is a chemical compound made of hydrogen and oxygen atoms. Its chemical formula is H2O. Water is a vital resource for life on Earth. It can exist in three phases: liquid, solid, and gas, and is found in various environments, including lakes, oceans, and living organisms. Water is important for temperature regulation, joint lubrication, digestion, and waste removal. It also facilitates nutrient and oxygen transport and is vital for drinking and agriculture. The water cycle, or hydrological cycle, is the continuous movement of water within the Earth and atmosphere. It involves processes like evaporation, transpiration, condensation, precipitation, infiltration, runoff, and percolation. Evaporation is the process of water escaping as vapor due to the sun's heat. Transpiration is when plants release water vapor through stomata. Condensation occurs as water vapor cools and forms tiny droplets, creating clouds. Precipitation is when water droplets in clouds become too heavy and fall to Earth as rain, snow, sleet, or hail. Infiltration is the process of water entering the soil to become groundwater. Percolation is the continued downward movement of water through the soil layers due to gravity. Runoff occurs when water flows over the Earth's surface into larger bodies of water like rivers and oceans. The water cycle process begins with the sun heating water through radiation, causing it to evaporate and become water vapor. The rising of this heated water vapor is called convection. Plants lose water through transpiration, similar to how animals lose water through sweating or breathing. As water vapor rises, it cools and condenses into water droplets, forming clouds. Clouds contain tiny droplets of condensed water vapor. As these droplets increase in size and become too heavy, they fall back to Earth as precipitation, which can be rain, snow, sleet, or hail. After precipitation, water infiltrates the soil surface. Percolation is the movement of water through the soil itself. As water percolates deeper, it reaches groundwater, which is water below the surface. The upper surface of this underground water is known as the water table. Any excess water that doesn't soak into the soil flows over the Earth's surface as runoff into streams or rivers. Continuing the water cycle, when rain falls, it either runs off the land into water bodies, seeps into the soil to form the water table, or becomes groundwater in the soil and underlying rock. The water cycle is crucial because it ensures the availability of water for all living things and regulates weather patterns by continuously replenishing the Earth's water supply. The water cycle constantly replenishes fresh water through evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. This ensures a continuous source of drinkable water for humans and other living organisms. We will now look at a few of these impacts. Two key impacts are freshwater availability and river flow maintenance. The cycle collects and distributes fresh water as rain or snow and sustains river systems through surface runoff. Another important impact is climate regulation. The water cycle plays a crucial role in regulating climate patterns, influencing weather conditions and the distribution of precipitation. Human activities such as deforestation, urbanization, and over-extraction of groundwater can disrupt the water cycle and negatively impact our water supply. Water conservation is essential for reducing waste and extending the water supply. Simple actions like turning off the tap, avoiding running water for washing dishes, and fixing leaks can help save water. Water purification is necessary to obtain clean drinking water. Stage 1, collection, involves straining debris and using chemicals like alum and lime to settle fine particles. Stage 2 is filtration. Water passes through layers of sand and gravel, which filter it, and where microorganisms help remove dissolved organic matter. Stage 3 is chlorination. The filtered water is treated with chlorine to kill any remaining bacteria, ensuring the water is now safe for consumption. In conclusion, the water cycle is vital for life, continually moving water through various phases. Understanding its impact underscores the importance of water conservation and purification for a sustainable water supply.